Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Fed 2023 Special, BoE thinks negative analysis. http ntvforex.com News ID BC 852091722022 30:00 p.m. The Fed didn't tell us much we didn't already know about the near term, but Powell laid out a 2023 vision that paints a powerful picture. Sterling was slammed across the board after the Bank of England announced it is exploring the mechanics of implementing negative interest rates. NBSP The FOMC decision and communication were in line with expectations. There were tweaks to incorporate average inflation targeting, and the 2020 growth estimate was boosted. Markets expressed some disappointed when the Fed didn't offer any hints at more QE or other easing, except to say that it retained tools in the toolbox. The short-term market reaction is understandable, but it's ultimately the long-term vision that will win out. The Fed's 2023 forecasts and dots were all new. They showed 4.0% unemployment, 2.5% GDP growth, 2.0% core PCE inflation, and 13 of 17 policymakers said they still expected to have interest rates at zero at the end of that year. Ashraf tells me to start focusing on US 5-year break-even rates now at 1.55% and a possible HMS formation in this little noticed rate. NBSP forecasts change, but the Fed's vision is clear: there will be no rate hikes even when the pandemic is forgotten and the economy is relatively strong. The 2023 economy that Powell laid out is similar to what we saw in 2019, a year with 2.2% growth, 1.7% inflation, and 3.7% unemployment. The big difference is that the Fed funds rate was 1.5% and the Fed's balance sheet was half its current size. The picture the Fed paints of 2023 is paradise for risk assets, emerging market currencies, precious metals, and commodities. It would argue for massive leveraging at ultra-cheap rates. In the shorter term, there are undoubtedly mixed messages. The August U.S. retail sales report missed estimates, with core sales down 0.1% as the prior was also revised lower. At the same time, home builder sentiment jumped to a record, and a U.S. HHS official said the country could be vaccinated in April. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.